Greetings and welcome back to part 2 of this video or this tutorial. And today on this part, we are looking at a basic document structure. And what a basic LaTeX documents include a title, an author, date information, sections for organizing content, you have subsection, chapters, depends on what type of document that you are creating, because we have different type of classes. We have the book class, which offers parts, chapters, sections, subsections, and subsections, paragraphs, and all those. For the report class, it does not offer chapters or parts. So depends on what kind of document that you are creating. Different classes, they have different options that they have or they provide. But most of them, they have title, author, and date information, which is required for the document metadata. So to begin with, a basic document structure, we will write a simple. So let me head to my IDE, not IDE, my editor, and this is where the class. This is where you define the class, what type of class that what type of document that you are writing. We have said we have different types. We have article, we have report, we have book, etc. Then after that, we can have something called the title of the document. We can call it my document, or you can call it LaTeX introduction, a sample document. That's the title of the document. And as you can note, we're using the percentage sign to make a comment. So anything that goes after the percentage sign will not be compiled. That will be treated as a comment, just as you use double backslashes in C or in Java, or a hash in Python. In LaTeX document, we use the percentage sign. Then we can have an order, my name here. That's the order of the document. Then we can have the date. We can make use of this command called today that will populate the day of that day when the document will be compiled. That's very good when you're making changes of your document and you don't really have to go to change the date explicitly. Just make use of that and it will update automatically. Then all this that goes in from the document class all the way before the begin document, it's called the preamble section. And that's where, like in HTML, you can say that's where we have our metadata, our meta information goes there. Then now in the begin document and end document, it's where now this is not begin, begin, sorry. This is where now our main content goes in. Now here we can have sections, subsections, chapters, etc. And we can make title. We can call this command called make title, that it will use our meta information here provided and create our title nicely. We don't really need to worry about that. Very, very good. Then we can have some information such as section, action. Let me leave this one so that I can do it quick. Yes. Now, once we are done with that, this is a simple complete document in LaTeX. We have the document class, we have the title, we have the author, we have the date, we have this, we have said this one is the preamble. This is the preamble where you can put your things, the author, the date. Later we'll talk about importing packages or including packages and all those information. That information goes at this section. Then we have the begin document and end document. This is the main environment where we put or we write our main code. Yes, now here is where we put we write, we typeset whatever we want to present, or to whatever we want our document to have. So if this was was a set of notes, then here it's like here we can treat the preamble as the settings section where you gear your settings, how you want your document to look, the margins, all those information. Think about anything. LaTeX gives you power in your hands. You can format the document the way you want. There is no limit. Yes, so once you're done, we can save the document. For instance, if I try to save it, to ask me to save it, I will have to save it. Okay. Let me save it, sample document 1 .tx. Then you see the good thing with this editor, as I said, is that it provides with you, it allows you to have this run button where you can just click it and then it runs, and on the right side, sorry, it creates the document. Now you can see the document, the PDF document. Yeah, now you can see a lot of things that have been made for you without you really need to worry about that. The styling of the head, the title, nicely styled, the the author, the date. You can see we have a numbering. For a word processing document, you really have to do some gymnastics to achieve this. Just simple documents, you have to mind a lot of things, but for LaTeX you can see it's easy as we have done. Something else that I would like us to talk about is that LaTeX allows customization of text appearance, paragraph formatting, and creating lists. And for instance, you can note this is bold. This introduction is bold because it's a section. Then this one is a normal, it's a normal font size, or normal weight, font weight. Maybe we want to have text that is bold, italic, monospace, large, tiny. LaTeX offers those capabilities. Now, maybe now here we can skip to a new page. We can just use that command, new page, and it will take us to the next page. And then we have that one. Let's see. Then again, come here and run the file. Now you can see now you have gone to the next page, and we can see this is bold. We have bold, we have italic, monospace, large size, and tiny size. Yes, that is paragraph formatting, and the created LaTeX offers those options. So thank you guys for joining me in this tutorial for today. I just wanted us to have a basic setup of LaTeX, how we can get to install the necessary softwares that are required, and to create a simple document in LaTeX. So thank you so much, guys. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video, in the next lectures, next sessions, so that we can learn together as we explore the world of LaTeX. Thank you. Have a blessed time, and God bless you.